Hi guys, it's me back. I'm gonna put it up here. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys how to get this guy. This jester guy. Yeah, this creepy bro is what I want. JK lol. Ow, 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 ow. You guys better tell me if you guys have it. Comment if you guys do have it and comment how to get it because I'm getting a little confused when I watch who is it? Does she have it? I'm actually working on progress in this place. Look, that's the jester, kids. But guys, I should change my mind. Close the chat. Or change place. Hello. I'm here. I'm okay. Here we go. What you eat? Hello, small fire. I'll be Stitchy instead. Because Stitchy is always one of my favorite skin to find the real piggy game. Wait, actually, where's Crow? Where are you, Crow? I am gonna find you. I'm gonna say how to get Jester. I'm going to Alice. That's where the first note is in Alice. Now, I'm gonna look for a note. If I was a note, where will I be? I would be surprised if I found a note from Justy. Actually, guys, there's a fake bot here, so there's a bot of Jester herself. Wait, how to open this? This is impossible. Finding notes is impossible. Finding this guy's name, Jester's note, is impossible. But this is the first one, I guess? Yes, this is the first one. I need to search for the second one. I have to be zooming though. Without all this stitchy. Not tall. Stitchy, you're such a IDIOT. Where is Chester's note? Willow, you better tell me, because I am so tired afraid of this frickin' spooky skeleton meme. I hate the spooky skeleton. Where's the next mode? What did I say? Mode. Note. You want to get killed? Okay, you get Stein, bro. You better watch out, dude. I'm getting for you after this. I'll be better if I'm nice. I have a nice computer lab. But actually, okay, playtime is over. I'm trying to get Jester, but I'm confused. Where is the second note? Oh, I just remember. When I go here, yeah. Yeah. I am going to find you note. If you guys didn't know something with just the gesture because everything is. Oh my! Stop it! I'm recording. Oh my gosh! I am recording now. Oh my gosh! I'm typing a lot of angry. I'm wrecked now. I'm wrecked now. I'm wrecked now. Say hi. 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 Oh my god. He is saying, oh, hi. That's nice. Cool. 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 Oh, we were saying hi. Cool. Actually, shout out to them. They say hi, Mr. Stitches. Wanna be friends? I'm sorry, Penny. I am finding the notes. Trying to listen to my. Let's RP. Stop it! This I'm getting rid of you to the star. I'm getting rid of you. I'm hugging. Look at my hug. Shh. Where's the note? 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 I'm gonna find you note. Oh my gosh. This is annoying. Why is Stitches so creepy? Soundtrack. I be Penny, you be George. I'm gonna see if the freaking like what did I say? Freaking notice here. Scary dog, yeah, I made it myself. Whatever, bro. Yay. Yay. Yeah, yay. Yeah, yay. He said. Yay. Oh my. Two stitches in a row, huh? I'm gonna be late about the skin. Okay, fine, guys. If you guys wanna know the truth, what happened? Look, turn around, look up. You know who's that? And you know who's that? That's Jester, bruh. There's another note. There's another note. The note must be here somewhere. It appears you're not slender and Jester is. How to get just the. I'm saying how to get Jester. Look at Jester. This guy's not answering. Piggy dance. Wait, let me close this door. For a little while, I want to see. Nothing. Maybe that's all the note that we need to get, and then we just need. Okay, say. It's just too weird. Why am I just collecting notes? Okay, let's just try and like get to school and find the final note. Like, am I gonna get the badge? Why not collecting all notes? That will be sick. Can you sleep? If you're watching, can you do that though? I really want to know. I'm not trying to try not get all the notes though. I'm tired of getting all the notes. My hand is getting sweaty, ready, crabby. Oh no. Ah, here we go again. Just here. Here we go again, guys. I'm running to. I'm running to be. Ah, to be detective. Oh, I pressed the Mr. P one, so I am Mr. P. I am not gonna be Mr. P. Oh, Stitchy, I'm being Mr. Detective. Detective, I actually made what is it called? A torture morph in Lego. Okay, I'm going to the school map as I should said. Because that's how you get the final badge, the final true identity of Mr. Jester. Mr. Jester, where you at, cup? I smell cap. I smell cap. Is that you? That smell caps. I smell cap. What I just smell is cap. You Jester. Wait, it's supposed to be. Hmm? This teacher is dumb. I'm clicking as hard. Oh, bruh. This detective is solving the clues. I'm getting bored of this clue. I'm smashing this thing. I am gonna smash my tech glass hole, guy. Save and load. Save one, right? It was in save one. It was save one. It's zom. It's zombie. It's piggy. Zom. Piggy. Reunited. Reunited Zom Piggy. Guys, it's actually the reunited Zom Piggy, guys.